Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and this is your first time of seeing my beautiful face. Hi, Claire here on this channel with him skincare video. So today's video is going to be about the RDL Papaya Whitening Lotion. Yes, this is an amazing lotion. We're going to find out if it really does what it claims to do. Does it whiten the skin? It is a good lotion, but does it whiten the skin? Does it lighten the skin? What are the ingredients? Where is it made? And so on and so forth. So if you are interested in that, then please keep watching right up to the end. Before we jump right into the video, if you're watching me and you've not subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Please pause at this point, hit the subscription button, and turn on your notification bell so that you'll be notified each time I upload a new video. And if you enjoyed this video, please don't go without leaving me a sweet comment and giving a huge thumbs up. It means a lot to me. So back into the video. The RDL Papaya Whitening Lotion. This product, first things first, is made in Indonesia. And if you don't know, all these products from Asia, Thailand, in short, all these products, you know Asia, right? Whether from Thailand, whether from wherever, they are always good. Generally, their products are good. When I say good, I mean they are safe. Like, you get the original, they will not give you stretch marks, white dot, they'll not give you skin complications, okay? So this is just one of those products that is very good as well. But now it is advertised as a whitening lotion. Before we get into whether it whitens the skin or not, let us find out about the ingredients. There are many ingredients like cetyl alcohol, propylene glycol, and so on and so forth. But the main active ingredient in this lotion is the papaya extract. And yes, papaya contains some enzymes that really lightens the skin when added with other lightening additives. Papaya on its own, cannot really whiten the skin. So this lotion is not that lotion that you're going to go and get from the market and think it's going to whiten your skin. But it is a very good moisturizer. It moisturizes the skin very, very well. And it is a very good lotion for those who are dark skin, those who are brown skin, and even if you're light skin or naturally. Now, let me explain what I mean. If you are light skin, if you got your light skin, if you're like me, who is not naturally light skin, I use lightening products to lighten my skin like this. If I stop using my lightening products and switch completely to this RDL Papaya Whitening Lotion, I'm going to get dark. It is not going to maintain my skin because I'm not originally light skin. But if you are light skin from birth, it is a good moisturizer that you can use. It is going to glow the skin because it contains papaya extract. It's going to glow the skin. It is going to even out your skin tone, but it's not going to change your complexion. If you are dark skin, like real dark, and you want to just glow your skin, okay, you can as well get it. Trust me, it's not going to give you any skin issues. Using this product on its own is not going to lighten you. Okay, if you are sensitive, if you are a sensitive skin person, it's going to brighten you over time. Brighten over time, but it's not going to lighten you. Okay, they advertise it as a whitening product because it is made in it's an Asian product, and their skins are different from our skin. Yes, it can whiten their skin, it can lighten their skin, but for an African skin like your skin, like my skin, it's not going to do that for you. But it's a very good moisturizer. Can be used on kids above 12 years old. Yes, I've seen the ingredients. They are good for kids above 12 years old. They are very safe, very mild, nothing dramatic. It's going to give you good results, okay? But don't expect to get white. Now, you can also promix this cream, this lotion, but it is very runny. That's one thing you want to know. It is very runny, and because it's very runny, if you want to promix it, you need to use thick serums like, say, Glutathione serum, skin-free milk, Shalom whitening serum, all those serums that are thick, not this oily kind of serums, because if you put any oily serum in it, it's going to make it very, very runny and very uncomfortable to use on the skin. But on its own, it's a good moisturizer, good ingredients. And if you are also into skin lightening and you still want to use this product, you can use this product on the days you are staying away from your lightening product. say on you can use it 3 times in a week, and then the remaining days of the week, 4 days in a week, you use your lightening product. If you're somebody like me who doesn't use whitening products from January to December, so on those days where you're alternating, you can go ahead and use this product. It is really good, and it comes in a 600 ml, which means it is quite economical. You can check it on eBay. If you are in Africa, check out African beauty supply shops, cosmetic shops. It is very common, and you are going to see the products there. Very, very affordable, like very affordable. So that'll be it for this video. If you enjoy it, give me a huge thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't done that yet, and turn on your notification bell. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.